to a new video on my channel. So today I'm going through how to install mobile Lightroom presets on your phone. So once you've downloaded the mobile presets, open up the pack, go to the mobile edition. If you want to know how to install presets on your computer, check out the link in the description. I have another video for that. So open up the mobile presets and you will see there are images. There is a way to install them directly to your phone, but then you need an unzipper app. So then you just have to download the unzipper app from App Store, unzip the folder, and then transfer the images over to Lightroom that way. But the easiest way is to first of all download it on your computer and then just select them and send it to your phone on AirDrop if you have an iPhone, or Dropbox if you have other phones, or some other way of transferring the images to your phone. So just go ahead and drag them over. Make sure that you have Adobe Lightroom downloaded on your phone. It is a free app. So go ahead and open up Adobe Lightroom. Go to the place where you add photos, add a new photo, choose from camera roll, and then you have to go one by one and add in the presets. It's a bit of a time consuming process, but it will be worth it in the end. So let's go ahead and add in the rain in action one. So now you have it. You can see before and after. Go ahead and create a preset. Then we have rain and action 1. Let's take Lofoten 1. You can see the before and after. Go to create preset, Lofoten 1. So once you've created the preset and you want to edit another photo, I'm just going to choose this photo that I took with my phone. Then you go over to presets, user presets, and you'll see Lofoten 1, for example. You can add it on. Done. And that's how you install the mobile edition presets. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to leave it a thumbs up. Check out my new website expose.no/shop for presets, and my Selfie shop for presets, LUTs, and other plugins for Final Cut Pro and Adobe. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!